What if you could start your education in India, move abroad without losing time and credits, and still graduate from top universities in USA and Germany? Sounds impossible, but it's happening, and today I'll show you how. And here's what most students and parents still don't know. Even if you have taken admission in India for your bachelor's degree, your dreams of studying abroad are still not over. You have not missed your chance, and it is still not too late. In fact, you can transfer your credits to an international university and complete the remaining part of your degree abroad without starting from zero. Yes, your global journey can begin even from India. If education abroad is your dream, don't skip this video. Every year, thousands of students dream of studying abroad, but they stop because of high costs, complex transfer rules, or fear of wasting years and restarting from zero. Some students rush abroad too early and struggle financially. Some students stay back because they are completely confused about the right pathway, while many students lose valuable opportunities just because they did not get the right guidance. What if there was a more smarter and structured route? This is where the International Pathway Program comes in. This program is especially for students who want global exposure, affordable education, and a smooth transition to top international universities. Now, this is how it will work. You will start your education in India, you will build a strong academic profile, you will save significantly on your tuition and living costs, and seamlessly transfer to top universities abroad. No repeating years, no wasted semesters, no unnecessary academic loss, only smooth, planned global transition. And this is what makes the Pathway program truly powerful. You get the best of both worlds: Indian academic grounding and international teaching standards and global exposure. The transfer process is flexible, structured, and suitable for different courses and multiple student profiles. Whether your destination is USA or Germany, we plan your journey step by step. And most importantly, your credits move with you. Credit transfer may seem complicated, but with the right guidance, it's simple and hassle-free. This pathway focuses on easy credit mobility, stress-free documentation, and correct career guidance throughout the process. You are not guessing your future, you are planning it with professionals who understand the international university systems. And this is how students move abroad with confidence and not confusion. And the parents need to know that the future belongs to students who are globally aware and multidisciplinary. This pathway encourages students to learn across fields, gain future-ready skills, build international exposure, and create global career opportunities. Don't let confusion decide your future. Plan smart, go global, and start strong. If you're curious how, then contact us on the number in the description box below.